Today I actually have a product that is going to make you feel like a rock star. Sorry about my bad joke there, but it's totally true. I got a microphone, see, from TONOR. This is the TC-777 condenser mic, and it's pretty awesome. I'm going to go into all of the specifics, all the technical details, all of the aspects that you would want to know before you buy it. But first I have a little bit of a confession to make, and that's that I know nothing about microphones, and I'm really, really bad with technology. So I was intimidated to do this review because I was afraid that I'm not even going to be able to get this thing to work. I don't know how to work a microphone. I don't know how to install the software. I don't know how to get it to work and set up. But TONOR assured me that it is plug and play. And they were absolutely correct. Literally, all you do is take it out of the box, take the USB cord, plug it into your USB ports, and it just works. It's that easy. There's nothing to install, there's nothing to download, there's no settings you need to mess with or anything like that. It's really that simple. So if you're someone who is like me and you just need a microphone and you just need it to work and you just need it to be easy, then you can go ahead and just turn off this video right now and go to Amazon, order your TONOR microphone, and you're going to be super happy with it. But if you want to know more of the technical stuff, keep watching. I'm going to tell you all of that, and I'm going to actually use the microphone and do a voiceover, excuse me, and I'm sure that you're going to be able to see the difference and hear the difference between my phone audio and the TONOR mic audio, so that's going to be super fun, and we'll go do that right now. Okay guys, as promised, I plugged in my TONOR mic, super simple, right into my computer, and now I'm going to film a little bit more about the mic while we check out their Amazon page. So, two biggest things to point out: clear and crisp sound, and it's plug and play and so easy to use. It's going to work with your Mac, your Windows computer, even Linux, laptop, desktop, doesn't matter what you have, just plug it right in and it works. When the mic is on the stand, it's about 9 inches tall, and the cord is 60 inches, so it's plenty long enough for whatever you would need it for. You can see it has these anti-skid rubber discs. It's not going to fall over, it's going to be plenty sturdy for you. Here's everything that comes with the microphone in the box, and you can see you can actually take the microphone off of the stand if you ever needed to attach it to a separate boom. So the mic comes with your power cord, the tripod desk stand that's got the folding feet, a mini shock mount, a pop filter, your manual, your service card. You get everything done all at once, and there's no need to buy a bunch of accessories to go with it. It's great for gaming, and it's compatible with pretty much everything that you would want to use it for. I think maybe the only exception to that is Xbox, but PlayStation fans, totally works for you. Here you can see this microphone from TONOR compared with a few of their other models. All of them are plug and play, and all of them are excellent options. Some of these frequently asked questions, you can see how responsive TONOR is as a company. They're telling everyone exactly how they can get the best results out of their microphone. You can always feel confident buying a product from a company with that kind of customer service. And that's probably one of the reasons why you can see they have a great review on Amazon, 4.5 out of 5 stars. Thank you guys for sticking around and learning all about the TONOR microphone with me. I know it's going to be a piece of equipment that you guys love just as much as I do. As always, click like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave us a comment, tell us what you would like to see more of. We always love to hear from you, and we'll try to respond for sure. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy out there. I know this is a crazy time in the world, so that's definitely why I love doing product reviews for things like the TONOR microphone, because it helps us stay together. It's a piece of equipment that's going to help you communicate a little bit better. And right now, when it's hard to communicate in person, we need all the help that we can get. And this is something that, whether you're a gamer and it's going to help you talk to your friends a little bit better, or just help grandma hear you on Skype and it doesn't sound like you're underwater, or help you be more professional in your Zoom meeting, this is something that's definitely worthwhile, and I hope it'll make your communication seem a little bit more natural, a little bit easier, make your life easier right now. We all need that. So definitely stay safe, and I appreciate you all so much. Until next time, adios amigos.
Thanks for shopping with us on Rockstar Reviews, a page dedicated to style, fashion, shopping, and fun.
Like this. $1,000.
Make sure to subscribe for more content, including hauls and reviews. If you're interested in having us review your product, email me directly. There's a link in the description below.